Hi, so this is Sprint 3 for AstroSprint. So far in this sprint, we have finished our levels. So this is the planet level. And you will later see the obstacles that we've designed for this scene. Um, our other levels include the lobby, which was made in the last sprint, as you can see here. The practice level. And then the space level, which is new, which has a spline that goes through space. And then the city level. So for this sprint, I worked on networking. So I made these cubes can be punched, and that goes into the practice and play level to kind of emulate how the game works with the punching mechanisms. These blocks are networked objects, so each player that spawns in will see each the blocks for themselves. So if it's like punched, it disappears. It won't disappear for everyone, just the player who punched it. Um, Additionally, this right here will show how many players want to play the game. So the lobby will queue up, so all four players, the game will start when all four players have decided to play. And then if we go into a level, there is a race manager and a spline manager, which basically shows how people or how each player will spawn on the track. Um, and it says next level name, so this is how it goes to the next level. It will wait until all the players are done racing and then spectate. If one player has finished before the final player, then they'll spectate. They'll go above the spline so they can watch the race until then everyone has finished. And then this will bring them to the next level. So yes, we've basically just worked on adding photon voice and photon for networking into the game. So the spawning works. We're currently having issues with being able to move within the game. Um, so we can see our hands, but like we're frozen in the game. So we're going to go to TA office hours next week and fix that. So hopefully everything can be tested and run smoothly. And then additionally, we have been working on audio. So Elizabeth this week worked on the audio editing, so you can see it in the project overview um, here. So these are basically all of the audios that we are going to add to the game. She made all of these sound effects or found them, and basically we are going to use nodes and then C# scripting to sync these to the game. And with the networking that we've added, hopefully things can be synced based on what each player does.
So this is a video showing how the obstacles spawn around the spline. You can see them all being created here under the box placer, and I can select the different prefabs here and change the number of sets to increase the number of obstacles that show up. There's three different obstacles: the punch, the jump, and the duck. This box here is the punch. It shows up closer to eye level. The duck is more down here and the jump is more down here. Um, and the offsets can be changed. And since they're all based off of the spline, this algorithm can be applied to all the other tracks in the same way.
This is the animation that Jamie made. It includes waving, running, punching, and jumping. And these will be integrated when we learn how to network with animation later.
For my part, I designed a series of jump and dodge obstacles. So for the city level, I created a glowing energy wall, an illuminated lamppost, um, with emissive materials to enhance their futuristic look. And then for the planet level, I developed a crystal dodge obstacle and a rock jump obstacle, also trying to match the alien environment.